Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I want to show you how I turned this boring enterprise desktop into a budget gaming rig. I'm going to show you where you can get the parts the cheapest, how to put it together, and how it performs. Stay tuned. Okay, so basically I took the lid off so you can take a look inside. First off, this model is an HP Elitedesk 800 first gen, or G1. This is a small form factor enterprise desktop. So you can find the same thing in the Dell brand or even Lenovo, but this happens just to be an HP. Basically, I was able to purchase this off of a college university surplus website. They have all their Windows desktops that are Core i5s listed for $50 and all of the Core i7s listed for $100. So this model cost me $50 and all it is missing is a hard drive. So let me go ahead and show you the components I purchased. With a small form factor machine, you're limited on two things. You're limited on space and you're limited on the amount of power that you can use. This machine comes with a 240 watt power supply, so we have to have a video card that doesn't draw very much. Your best option for that is going to be the Pascal series from Nvidia. So this is an Nvidia GTX 1050 Ti 4 gig version. You can also get a 1050 or a 1030. They all offer pretty good performance, but the 1050 Ti is going to give you that extra bump in 1080p performance that you're looking for. So you can get these off Amazon new, or you can find them locally through either Craigslist or another classified site. You're going to be looking for something that looks pretty clean if you're going the used route, but because it's a low profile card, it's kind of hard to find these used, so you might have to purchase this new. So the majority of the money that you're going to be putting into this machine is coming from the video card cost. The next thing you want to look at is storage. You can find a 256 gig solid state for $34 on Amazon right now, and a 500 gig solid state for $67 on Amazon. I'll have those linked in the description below. The ones that I had laying around already was this 120 gig solid state and this 1 terabyte Western Digital hard drive. Also, I was able to find 8 gigs of RAM locally for really cheap through a Craigslist ad, so that's that. I have two 4 gig sticks of DDR3 1600 megahertz speed RAM. So let's move forward to installing the parts. First thing you want to make sure is that you're grounded. You're not going to static shock any of these components. Let's install the hard drives first. So we're going to take our spinner hard drive, take the power, SATA connections, hook them up. It clips in, and this lifts up here. Take the solid state hard drive, plug that in, SATA connection, plug that in, clip that in place, take the memory, clip it in on each side. Sure they're all firmly planted, and last thing's video card. So we're going to take this, pop up the tab on this side, remove the metal blockers. Snaps right into the first PCIe slot, and that locks it in place. Okay, congratulations, you made it this far. Got all the components installed, got everything put together, we're ready to install the OS. We're going to install Windows 10 on this machine. Let's go ahead and move forward with that. If you'd like, you can watch any other YouTube video to see how that's done. Once Windows 10's installed, we're going to actually install some games and see how it performs. Okay, so that pretty much sums up my video. My goal was to give people the confidence and the knowledge to go out and build the machines themselves. So I hope that each of you feel comfortable enough to be able to go out and do that. Just a reminder that I've listed all the parts that I used in the description below. So please, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. I'll help you out. This was a really fun project to build. I really like looking at these budget machines and trying to find the best bang for the buck. So hopefully you guys liked it. If you did, please share the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.